nafuine Demoreu na unyete vagi Twakinya kwanu kera mami wanu Ati twashamanirie adu kanithaine Ati twashamanirie adu pea grupuine Aye ne maheni Aye ne maheni Aye ne maheni Narushio gamo tora wito Okagaidie nina wairoko Naneoe akorago aremonoki Nake oe korago teremonoki Kowo digeda kairetu Karashina bisha Aye Maheni Aye Maheni Aye Maheni. Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Maheni by Ayrosh. Someone requested that I do this song, so here is the song. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. Give this video a thumbs up if you learn from it, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on future tutorials. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of B, and the progression is 4, 1, 6, 5. The 4 is E major chord, the 1 is B major chord, the 6 is G sharp minor chord, and then the F, the 5th is an F chord. So the song is those chords. The progression is the same on the intro, the verse, the chorus. The only parts that there will be a variation and an addition of chords will be the bridge part, which I will discuss when we get there. So the E chord, this is how you hold your E chord. So I am using my middle finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and my pointer finger string number 3 on the 1st fret. This is E major chord. The chord that follows is the B major chord. So B major chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar across the 2nd fret from string 1 to 5, and then I'm barring string number 2, 3, and 4 with my ring finger. So my pointer finger, 2nd fret there, and then ring finger bars string 2, 3, and 4. The chord that follows is a G sharp minor. So I am using this voicing to play that minor chord, where I am playing the 4th string on the 6th fret, and then I'm barring string number 1, 2, and 3 on the 4th fret with my pointer finger. So this is a minor chord, a way of holding the G sharp minor chord. So now you can also use your bar chords to hold it as so. So you just bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger, and then with your ring finger string number 5 on the 8th fret, and your small finger string number 4 on the 8th fret. So you can either play the minor here or here, but I kind of prefer this voicing in this case. So you can choose either of those, here or there, or you can also play it here, which I wouldn't advise you to play from. So that's G sharp minor, and then the other chord is F major chord. So this F major chord I am barring with my pointer finger, string 1 and 2, and then my middle finger string number 3 on the 3rd fret, and my ring finger string number 4 on the 4th fret. So this is a F major chord. So those are the chords for that progression that you will play on your intro, then the verse and the part of the chorus. So now the bridge, the progression is 2 4. Yes, 2 4 3 5. So where he's singing Narushio Gabutwara Kwano Okagaithye Nina Ayrosh. So that is the chords that I'm playing there are C sharp minor chord, which is the 2 chord of key of B, and then I play E major chord and D sharp minor chord. This is a 3 chord. So this is 4 chord, E minor, D minor, D sharp minor chord, the 3 chord, and then 5. So you play that, I think, thrice. So C minor, E, D sharp minor, F, C minor, E, D sharp minor, F, C sharp minor, E major chord, D sharp, and then Igeda kairetu Karashina bisha. So that's last beat you play C sharp minor chord, and then you play E chord. So you can either play E chord here, this E chord, or here. And then now instead of going 4 3, you play the 3 4 5, 3 4 5. So you gotta play like that. So well, let me just play everything together, the bridge, so that you can have a feel on how it sounds when you're singing it. Narushio Gabutwara Wito Okagaithye Nina Ayrosh Nane oe akorago are monoki Nake oe korago dere monoki Okuwo Igeda kairetu Karashina bisha aye. So that's how you play that bridge part, and that's how you will play this song. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So guys, well, if you new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Plus, if you have a request, just let me know in the comment area. So with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.